Place the plywood in the engraving area. Use the focal gauge to adjust the focal length of the laser module. Insert the USB flash drive into the computer. Import the drawing into the USB flash drive. Remove the USB flash drive. Insert the USB flash drive into the machine. Click on Project's USB disk to open the drawing. Select the engraving material and set the thickness. Set quality to high. Drag the image to the engraving area. Click to start engraving. Assemble the cut wooden boards together.